I mean, inflation, that's the topic of the day, right? So everybody's talking about inflation and increased costs and all that stuff. And it really does tie back into our transportation markets. I mean, that's a big driver of it. So inflation year on year. So if you go back to May of 2020, we're up 5%. But the biggest chunk of that 5% is in the energy sector. And when you break it down, like we do in the market report, and you get into it, it really comes down to fuel, right? So it comes back to supply and demand. So we're consuming more, domestic travel's opening up, and that's really driving a lot of that inflation. You look at things like food, and yes, I mean, we are definitely paying more at the grocery store, but I would say it's a fairly nominal increase, right? A little bit over 2%. But really the driving factor is around that energy. And all roads lead back to fuel.